my whole point in that is you got to figure out what strategy works best for you and your market and your situation and your personality. And to not get that right is detrimental. You'll spend years of time wasted. In fact, what most people do is they see some dude on the internet like me. They acquire they buy whatever course that they are offering. They do exactly what the instructor says. They come in there with some good intentions, and then it doesn't work out. And they sit back and they say real estate investing doesn't work. It doesn't work. I couldn't get a deal. That that guy who is teaching that doesn't know what he's talking about. He's a scammer. He's just got all these really negative, horrible reviews. When the reality is, you were trying to stick a square peg into a round hole. You thought that wholesaling was the way that you're going to do it, and you don't like to do marketing. You don't like to do marketing, wholesaling is not for you. If you don't like to do sales, wholesaling is not for you, typically. You don't like to manage people, then you probably shouldn't be fixing and flipping. There are other strategies that will work really well for you, but it takes a keen eye, a human, to listen to you, to understand who you are. This is why I know AI will never take my job. AI can't figure out who you really truly are, then give you strategies that work for your unique personality. You can say all that you want. You can go into ChatGPT and say, "Oh, I'm an introvert. I do this and this and this." But the reality is, you need someone from the outside who has been there before, looking you dead in the eye and saying, "Yes, this works. This is not going to work for you. It's not going to work in this market. It's going to be way more difficult for you. My suggestion is do this strategy in this market, combine it with your personality, and you will flourish." And not just that, we're going to teach you how to do those, of course, but we're going to give you action steps and resources on a week in, week out basis that makes it so that you can't help but succeed. You just do the exact work that we're telling you to do, and you will see the outcome that we have seen and other students have seen over the years. There's a link in this description, probably in the comments. Direct message me. I'm on your side. If you want to make something different in your life, you don't have to have a ton of capital. You don't have to have a pile of cash laying around to be able to invest in real estate. You don't even have to have great credit score. When I first started in real estate, I had less than $600 in the bank and less than a 600 credit score. That was the very first deal I did was in that exact case. It can be done. I've done it. You can do it as well. So reach out to me, direct message me, direct message deal to me, and I'll know that it's you're looking for some information about how to do deals. Additionally, click whatever link I got in this description or in the comments or whatever, and let's get you started on the path to financial freedom. Let's get you started on that. It's a free uh, it's a free success planning meeting with one of my success coordinators. They're going to listen to who you are, make decisions about that, and offer some advice that you probably have never received from anyone. Because if you don't know what the possibilities are out there, you're going to have your own self-limiting beliefs, and that's a scary place to be. Don't be there. Instead, let's get on the success bandwagon. Let's get you going in the right direction. Reach out, talk with one of my success coordinators, and hopefully I'll see you in class someday.